Reflections of a figure. A reflection flips a figure over a line called the line of a reflection. Before reflect any figure or point, you need to determine your line of the reflection. Let's say that my line of the reflection is on the y-axis. So this is my line of the reflection. This is called line of reflection. If I have a point, let's say point B. What is the coordinate of the point B? Coordinate of the point B is -3, 3. If I reflect this across the line of the reflection, then I need to get the image of point B. How? Reflection, to be able to reflect any point, you need to make sure that whatever the distance between the line of the reflection and the origin point, the distance is going to be equal to distance between the line of the reflection and image point. And image point is going to be in the opposite direction of line of the reflection. So this is 3 units in the opposite direction. There are going to be 3 units far away. The image is going to become 3 units far away from the line of the reflection. So this is B prime. Make sure that this distance is equal. So B prime is going to become +3, +3. One more. Let's say that at this time, line of the reflection is my x-axis. Line of the reflection is x-axis. And I have a same point B. Now what's going to happen? As I told you, the distance between the line of the reflection and the origin point is going to be the distance between the line of the reflection and image point. And image point is going to be opposite direction. So 1, 2, 3. So this is B double prime. Let's say that B double prime. B double prime is the reflection of the point B across the line x-axis. Now, what is the coordinate? As you see here, this is going to become -3, 3. This is your answer. What if I have a point on the line of the reflection? For example, this is my coordinate. So this coordinate is A. And this point is A and coordinate is 0, 2. If you try to get the reflection of the point A, you will get the image on the same place, which means that the reflection of the point A is itself. So A prime is going to be 0, 2 as well. If a point A is on the line of the reflection, then its image is itself. If a point B is not on the line of the reflection, then they are on opposite side of a line of reflection and the same distance from the line of the reflection. Reflection is also rigid motion. And we know that the rigid motion preserves length and angles. Next. As I told you, rigid motion is a transformation that preserves length and angle measure. So if you have a figure, remember what we were doing in translation, you are going to do the same thing. You are going to reflect each point of the figure. After that, you are going to connect the points. Let's say that this is the point B. If you try to get the reflection, the distance is going to become equal to distance image point B prime, image of the B, and line of the reflection. The line of the reflection here is M, line M. What about point A? If you reflect this, you need to get the distance, and distance means you need to get you are going to get the perpendicular line of the line of the reflection, and this is going to be in opposite direction and the same distance. So this distance are going to be equal. So this is A prime. The last one is point C. This is the distance, and you are going to reflect this across the line of the reflection, line M, and you will get, this is the C. These are going to be equal. When you connect them, you will get image figure. So this is the image of triangle ABC. How we can describe this? How we can write a rule? We describe the reflection with the capital R, and M means line of the reflection. What is the line of the reflection? Here is M, which means that I have a line of the reflection, which is M, and this is applied to triangle ABC, and I got triangle A prime, B prime, and C prime. So this is the rule belongs to this figure. The reflection of the triangle ABC across the line M can be written as capital R subscript M, triangle ABC, and then you will get triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. A reflection is a rigid motion, so length and angle measures are preserved. Next, look at this question. First of all, you need to understand that your line of the reflection is x-axis. Let me graph this. This is x-axis and line of the reflection. After that, I need to plot the point. My point is -5, 3, -5 and 3. This is my point. Let's say that this point is K. We need to reflect this. As I told you, the distance between the line of the reflection and the original point must be equal to, in opposite direction, the distance between the image point and the line of the reflection. So this is K prime. The distance must be equal. So K point, original point K is -5, 3. After the reflection, K prime is going to become -5, -3. So this is your answer. The coordinate of the image is -5, -3. Next. Here, there's a triangle is given. First, we need to find line of the reflection, and then we are going to plot the points. When you look at here, the vertices of a triangle ABC are given. Graph triangle ABC and triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. It is image after a reflection across the x-axis. So my line of reflection is x-axis. Let me graph the line of the reflection first. This is the line of reflection. After the line of the reflection, you need to plot the points. My first point is A, 1, 3, 1, 3 here. A, 1, 3. Then point B, -2, 4 here. point B, negative 2, comma 4. And the last point is C, negative 1, comma 1. Negative 1, comma 1. And this is point C, negative 1, comma 1. When you connect them, you will get that this is the original figure ABC. I will reflect each point of the figure one by one, and then I will connect those image points and I will get the image figure. Let's do it. First, A. The distance between the line of the reflection and the point A must be equal to, in opposite direction, the distance between the image figure and the line of the reflection. 1, 2, 3. So this is A prime. Let's find the coordinates as well. A was 1, 3. After the reflection, you will get A prime, and the coordinates are going to become 1, negative 3. What about the B? The original coordinate is negative 2, 4, and we will find the B prime. And the last one is C, coordinate is negative 1, 1, and then we will find C prime. What is the distance between the line of the reflection and point B, which is 4? Now, in opposite direction, 4 units, the image is going to 4 units far away from the line of the reflection. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is image of point B, which is negative 2, negative 4. Negative 2, negative 4. And the last one is C. C is 1 unit far away, and in opposite direction, image is going to be 1 unit far away from the line of the reflection as well. So this is your C prime. And what is the coordinate? Negative 1, negative 1. If you connect those points, you will get image figure. This is your image. How you can describe by using general rule your reflection, where x-axis is going to apply to triangle ABC, and then we got A prime, B prime, and C prime. Next, A prime, B prime, C prime is the image of triangle ABC after the reflection across the y-axis. All right, as I told you, first we need to graph line of the reflection. The line of the reflection is y-axis. It's the line of the reflection. After that, we need to plot the points. My points are A is negative 1, 4. This is negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Point A. And second point is negative 3, 2. Negative 2, negative 3, and 2. This is point B. And the last one is C, negative 2, negative 1. Here. C, negative 2, negative 1. When you connect them, you will get original figure. This is my original figure. I need to reflect this across the y-axis, one by one. Let me get start with A. Original point is 1 unit far away from the line of the reflection. So image is going to be in opposite direction, 1 unit far away from the line of reflection as well. So this is going to be A prime. What is the coordinate? 1, 4. A prime is going to be 1, 4. What about B? 3 units far away. 1, 2, 3 units far away from the line of the reflection. So image is going to be in opposite direction, 3 units far away from line of the reflection as well. 1, 2, 3. So this is B prime. The coordinate is 3, 2. B prime, 3, 2. And the last one is C. Point C, original point, is 2 units far away from the line of the reflection, and image is going to be in opposite direction, 2 units far away from the line of the reflection as well. 1, 2. So this is C prime, 2 comma negative 1. C prime, 2 comma negative 1. We found image points. If you connect them, you will get image figure. If you want to write general rule, reflection across the y-axis, this is the line of the reflection, applied to triangle ABC, and I got triangle A prime, B prime, and C prime. So this is the rule. Next question is our last question. In this question, PQRS is a rectangle. Describe in words how to map PQRS to its image P prime, Q prime, R prime, S prime. Then use arrow notation to show how each vertex of PQRS maps to its image. Before solving this question, ladies and gentlemen, I want to draw your attention to something. Remember that we said that the distance between the original point and the line of the reflection must be equal to the distance between the image point and the line of the reflection. So those distances are equal, which means that line of the reflection is placed in the midpoint of each original point and the image point. Let me write this for you. The distance between original point and line of the reflection is equal to the distance between the image point and line of the reflection. So the line of the reflection is located or is placed in the midpoint of image and original point. Its original point. We need to use this idea. Let's look at image and original points. This is my graph. When you look at the point P and P prime, this is the whole distance. The distance is between them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the midpoint is here. Look at the Q and Q prime. This is the distance, and we know that the line of the reflection must pass through the midpoint of Q and Q prime. What about S and S prime? This is the distance between them, and midpoint is here. And the last one is R prime. The distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the midpoint is here. If you connect those points, you are going to get line of the reflection. So this is your line of reflection. What is that line called? This is the line x is equal to positive 1, because this is the line x is equal to 1. Now I can describe this by using general rule. Reflection, where is the line of the reflection? X is equal to 1, and I applied this to the rectangle P Q R S, and I got the rectangle P prime, Q prime, R prime, and S prime. This is how we are finding line of the reflection if image and the original figures are given. This is the end of the session.